Hey, what's up guys, Samsung newest Android tablets, the Tab S7 FE 5G and the Tab A7 Lite have been officially revealed. Following up weeks and weeks of leaks and branding speculation, today Samsung has quietly announced both the Tab S7 FE 5G and the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So basically these two tablets are going to be budget level tablets that are going to be unveiled by Samsung. As of now, the Samsung new Android tablet, the Tab S7, is entirely more affordable variant of the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus models, and it packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset alongside with 4GB and 64GB of internal storage. If that is not enough, there is another variant which is coming with the 6GB and 128GB of internal storage, but also Samsung has also provided you a 1TB of micro SD card slot as well, which you can expand. This new chipset which is coming inside the Galaxy Tab S7 FE enables the 5G network supports, but that's not standard feature. The basic Galaxy Tab S7 FE variants coming with a Wi-Fi network with LTE and 5G being available as an extra thing inside. You can take advantage of those connectivity option on the Galaxy Tab S7 FE 12.4 inch of display. It's like the one found on the Tab S7 Plus, only this time around the panel uses the LCD tech instead of the AMOLED and stick to the 60Hz of refresh rate. The good news is that it retains the S Pen stylus port, and the latter magnetically connects to the rear and the side of the tablet and charge wirelessly when attached. The S Pen can be used for drawing, taking notes, or simply navigating through the tablet UI. Speaking about the user interface, the Tab S7 FE is going to be shipping with Android 11 with One UI 3.1 on board, and that's not a surprise considering it's the latest version of the Samsung software. Other notable features including an 8MP of rear camera with the support for Full HD. It's also coming with a 5MP of selfie shooter too, ensuring a good experience on Zoom calls. Last but not the least, the features for Samsung newest tablet. It is going to be coming with a 10,090 mAh of a battery cell which supports 45 watt of super fast charging. The Tab S7 FE will be available in the select region starting now, and the 5G model will be priced around £529 for 64GB of storage and £629 for 128GB of storage in the UK. European and US pricing hasn't been announced, and neither has the cost of the Samsung Wi-Fi and the LTE variant. The other tablet is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Well, if you think that the Tab S7 FE is out of your price range, then Samsung has covered you out with another Tab A7 Lite device which is coming with $160 with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, although a 4GB and 64GB model is also coming. The Tab A7 Lite features an 8.7 inch of LCD display and aluminum body, and the compact tablet is also hosting a 5900 mAh of a battery cell which support 15 watt of fast charging. The 8MP of rear camera is also available, and disappointingly we are going to see a 2MP of selfie shooter. Completing the package, we have a micro SD card support, Dolby Atmos 3 stereo speakers, Android 11 with One UI 3 and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite will be available starting June in two colors, silver and grey, and two connectivity options, LTE and Wi-Fi. So all in all, this is going to be pretty much amazing devices, particularly the Tab S7 FE, which is coming with some more features which I honestly think is going to be an absolutely great thing. And here, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which tablet is going to be your favorite? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.